But the wishbone structures are often asymmetric as well. And so it is quite common for a woman to experience greater pleasure on one side of the vagina versus the other, meaning that this nerve root of the clitoris may be thicker or more sensitive. There's over 8,000 nerve roots as a part of the clitoris, and there can be more focused on one side versus the next. And so I hope that half of your listeners are thinking, I always wondered why I was a righty, or I'm a lefty. But I also hope the other 50% are wondering, if you've been with your partner for a long enough time, I hope you know if your partner is a righty or a lefty, because there's asymmetry in how we experience pleasure. And then very interestingly is that there is, if you're sort of looking at the tip of the clitoris, there's a nerve root, there's a part that goes sort of inside the vagina. And that's what we talk about in terms of social terms. We talk about the G-spot. And what that is it's a branch of the clitoris that runs along the anterior or the front part of the vagina. It's about a third into the vagina. The best way to find it is if a woman is trying to find it on herself, is to take her dominant hand, middle finger, stick it as far in as you can, and sort of do a come hither movement, or sort of movement of the finger towards the top part of the vaginal wall. It's easier to find when you're aroused because there's engorgement of the tissues. It feels a little more rugated, and you'll know that you're there if you feel a sensation to urinate. But if you relax into that, you won't.